Nearly 100 acres, a private bridge, a year-round creek, rolling Tennessee pasture, and a custom home completed in 2025. That's what we're walking into today. And once you step inside, the craftsmanship gets even more impressive. home immediately delivers that combination of luxury and natural character. Soaring timber-framed ceilings, wide plank hardwood floors, designer lighting, custom millwork, and walls of glass create warm, inviting spaces while keeping the surrounding landscape in view. At the center of the home is a chef's kitchen with a premium Wolf appliance package, including a gas range, built-in oven and microwave, along with an oversized island, custom cabinetry, and an impressive walk-in pantry. The primary suite adds a spa-inspired bath, while a dedicated home gym and generous guest accommodations give everyone room to settle in comfortably. The lower level is built for entertaining, with a custom bar and striking pool table creating a natural gathering space for game nights, guests, and relaxed evenings. Throughout the home, the living areas flow naturally from one space to the next, and the walls of glass keep the Tennessee countryside part of the experience. The home is also being offered fully furnished, with a carefully curated collection of high-end furnishings, so the next owner can step in and enjoy it immediately. Outside, approximately 30 acres of open pasture blend into mature hardwoods and scenic year-round creek frontage. There's plenty of room for horseback riding, recreation, or simply enjoying the privacy of the property. The beautifully crafted 3-stall horse barn has water and electricity, while heated and cooled garages provide additional space for vehicles, equipment, hobbies, and storage. A high-producing well, whole home generator, and fiber internet availability add another layer of convenience to this secluded setting. Put everything together and you have an estate that goes far beyond the house itself. Nearly 100 acres, a private bridge, year-round creek, equestrian amenities, exceptional craftsmanship, and a fully furnished custom residence completed in 2025. Whether this becomes a luxury equestrian estate,